This provides a context for the theme of this year's Development Policy Research Month on securing a future for all by growing a resilient middle class. In this presentation, I will firstly discuss what do we mean by middle class and where do the middle class reside. Then I will proceed to describing the middle class in more detail, how they live, demographic characteristics, educational attainment, and education of children, labor and employment, assets and amenities, based on the 2021 Family Income and Expenditure Survey conducted by the Philippine Statistics Authority. You might wonder why 2021. We thought that PSA already released the 2023 data, particularly on poverty. However, we should note that while last month the PSA did release poverty statistics based on the 2023 Family Income and Expenditure Survey, but micro data for this survey has not yet been released. So anyway, so we're just focusing on data on based on 2021.